Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to telling you on your videos how much you are going to getting likes, but I can also give you a best tip that you can generate with motion, how you are going to giving your multi-camera storytelling more cameras moving script on it to create AI work. There are many animations that you can also use the scenarios as well as directly generate stunning 180p HD videos with sharp visual. Just you can also give the script and you can also change the theme on it. You can also animate it. Everything is on the motion. User can seamlessly replace the video clip AI video product as well. There you can also check there is a lot of artwork with the character and you can also give the voice users to. You can also give the user their lip sync and sync as the new segment while maintaining the creative flow. Everything is like a creation. So complete your video directly. You can also upload on your YouTube, on your TikTok to get a lot of subscribe to. So here you can also check they are working with 50 plus countries. There is CPO and co-founder Chao Tong. This is motion where you can also check that you are going to providing your stream here, and for the first time you can also create an account. For that you can click on the sign up option and your account will be on the sign up page. On the motion you can check there is also created work. You can use here Google account, Microsoft account. Either you want to create the artwork by your email, your password of 6 to 8 digit and confirm the password. Click on this register and your account will be created successfully, as your account will be created through your Gmail. And then you can also come to this box where you can written what type of content you want to get, and then you can click on the OK button, and then there you can check that motion. This is thinking there will be created your work within shortly. After giving the script to it, they will also give it a complete scenario by writing, and then there you can also select the language ratio in which you want, and then there is also photorealistic, and then the script will be reimagined, and then you can also check that these are the pictures that is going to be created again. So we have to click on the animated all, and the style, subtitles, science scene effect. We can also give all the information here with their tags, with their script too. Now we have to click on the next, and there you can also find the final scene is here, like how it looks. This is the title I have given, and this is the motion creation. So we can easily check how it looks now. And this is also like having a taxi that is going to be used in this picture. So here you can also get how it works between the mountains. This is working now. So basically you can also start here, and this is your motion where you can create your general, and you can also go to your workspace. Either there is also history for the kid, science for kid, and you can also create your own creativity there. And not only this, there you can also check your audio asset will be shown here. But if you want to join their subscription, that is very simple. Like here you can also get subscriptions is here free forever where 20,000 character prompts, 16 there is scenes and project, 7 visual, 180. There is also 1080. This is also 1 GB asset will be given. But if you need to get more, there is also $25 per month with 3000 credit hour. And when you want to get as for free, 200 credit will be given. So I hope you have cleared how does this work, how you are going to join. Not only you can also invite your friends. You will also get 100 credit on that. I hope you have cleared everything. But if you want to join this, and you can also follow them on the social media links on their community Discord server. They will also give you a complete update about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.